So you followed a guide to make an amazing battle station, and you're all set up to stream when you think, oh no, I don't want to use my crappy headset mic, because I don't want people hearing my voice as if I'm talking through a styrofoam cup going through a string to another one. So you search online and you get attacked by all these different kinds of mics on different prices and all, and you don't know what to do. Well, what if I told you for $100, there's one that will make your viewers come back just so they can listen to your crisp and amazing voice. That's right, I'm talking about the Audio-Technica AT2020. This right here, an XLR dynamic mic. Well, sounds good, Alex. Grab my wallet and sign me up, right? Well, but hold on, one dang a minute, Alex. Linus did a video explaining the 50 best microphones. Why should I go buy it for $50 more? Well, let me explain. Because you're about to get your mind blown.
So what's good about the XLR mic? The AT2020 is a condenser mic, meaning that it is created for picking up your voice more than surrounding noises. Still will pick up other noises, but if you have a stand, then you'll be fine. Its frequency is about 20 to 20,000 hertz with a 100 ohm resistor, so all is fine for what a starting streamer needs. Or if, let's say, you're a streamer that wants to upgrade, that's perfect too. So what is the biggest difference between a XLR mic versus a janky old headset mic? Maybe you have a really good headset mic and you think it's good, right? Well, I've got a good one, and here's what that sounds like. As you can see, not really that crystal clear. It's like, it just doesn't sound right, as you can see. So yeah, let's say you are trying to stream and you want to start out with the mics. They do have very nice USB ones of the Audio-Technica 2020 in case you don't have the money to spend on a Phantom Power XLR or anything like that. So you can do USB and your voice will still sound very good, but if you really want that best, or you have a setup that already has an XLR mic and you just want to upgrade, you can easily just buy the AT2020 with the XLR output, plug it into your already existing Phantom Power, and you're good to go.
Pretty cool, right? So now the microphone, it's both XLR and there are USB variants. So let's say you're somebody that doesn't have the capability of buying a Phantom Power or doesn't want to spend the extra money for that, no problem, you just plug in through USB. I'm using an adapter that allows me to do XLR and USB. So you get the microphone itself. Ooh, look at that, pretty, right? You do have a little stand for it that kind of just bloop and then you can spin it in. It doesn't come with this little tripod. I bought a tripod for my microphone. And then there's one more thing that comes in the box, and that's pretty cool. Let's just put that down. There's also one more thing that the thing comes with. It comes with also a little carrying pouch, and inside it's very nice and foamy, so you can just toss the little microphone in there, zip it up, and you've got a little purse to go to your next meeting. Pretty cool, right? So sweet. Where can I get one? Well, you can get them in store. You can get the Audio-Technica Guitar Center for $100, and it's only the XLR variant with all the little accessories I showed you. You can also do Amazon, which has Audio-Technica AT2020 for about $100 or more, depending if you have accessories that you want to buy or if you just want to do USB or things like that. And then if you do not like Amazon, you can also go to Newegg, which has the mic. Not as many different configurations, but it does have it for about $100 or more if you prefer accessories or if you just want the mic itself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Make sure to subscribe so you can get more Alex Tech reviews. And then I'm also going to have everything that I talked about linked in the description below so you can find where to buy this Audio-Technica. Also, if you don't know what else to do now, go check out a video somewhere up here and somewhere down here. And as a PSA for you guys, stay hydrated.